Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play man coverage as a cornerback. First, align yourself about 1 yard inside or outside the receiver, depending on your leverage. Maintain a cushion of about 5 to 7 yards in off man, or be right up on them in press. At the snap, read the receiver's initial release to determine their route direction. This early read is crucial for staying in phase throughout the play. For press man coverage, initiate contact with a two-hand jam, aiming for the receiver's chest or shoulders within the first 5 yards. Keep your hips square to the line of scrimmage for as long as possible, mirroring the receiver's movements. If they go vertical, drive through their outside hip, maintaining a half-man relationship. This technique helps you stay connected and prevent easy separation. When playing off man coverage, start with a cushion of 7 to 10 yards, giving yourself space to react. Execute a smooth, controlled backpedal, keeping your eyes fixed on the receiver's hips, as their hips rarely lie. As the receiver declares their route, transition from your backpedal and break on the ball. Anticipation and quick reaction time are key to making a play. Once the quarterback releases the ball, immediately locate it in the air. Transition your focus from the receiver to the ball, attacking it at its highest point to either intercept or bat it away. If the receiver makes the catch, quickly wrap them up and drive through for a secure tackle. Every play is an opportunity to make a game-changing impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.